As you guys know, you don't know that, but I live in the Midwest in Missouri. So we got the snowstorm, so I'm gonna go drift and then see what we do this weekend. Ooh, baby, we were just in the gym. Now it's time to go have some fun. All right, Jake, tell us what we're doing here.
We're putting 135 pounds back in the marrow. Back in the back of the marrow.
Back in the back of the marrow?
Let me go grab the rest.
And then we're gonna go out in the winter wonderland.
I took a few cranks. That's not a cold start.
All right, go. You put it out.
We can put this bug in trap. Oh, shoot.
Oh!
Zach's calling.
Zachariah.
Hey, we go now. I just got off work. We
Hey,
go now.
me and Charlie are on the way to his house, and then we're going to Kohl's. We're in the marrow. Meet us at Kohl's.
Hey, Drake, you better not tell him.
You got a new car?
Dude, tell him what? I don't know what you're talking about, yo.
Better not tell him anything.
You got a new whip?
It's not like he's going to find anything out.
It's true. He might find out. Actually, it'll be blatantly obvious. Okay, see you soon. Bye.
What? No way you're gonna leave me on a cliffhanger like that. You get a new whip?
Huh?
Don't tell me though. Did he got a new whip, but don't tell me what it
He
is.
didn't get a new whip.
What did he get?
He didn't get anything.
Promise?
I ain't gonna say no promises, but...
Did he modify his whip?
No.
So he got a new whip.
No.
Bro, what? Alright, so we're gonna go out there.
Wait a second. This ain't clear.
Go clear that. It's a camera. You're good, Sonny Bert! You got it!
Yeah.
I guess you gotta slide it out of my freaking neighborhood right now.
Neighborhood, yo.
Kinda.
Wasn't that good, but...
Oh, I see that. I see that. I see that. He's tuned.
He was making like 630 crank.
What? Dude, this thing actually does not do bad in the
It
snow.
doesn't do bad. No, like it kind of just gripped after that little. Who's on the light pole?
Here, wait.
Goes right for the light pole.
We're not going. Zach, hello.
Word to the wise, I'm a G, you don't know me. Yeah. This triple last month and this whole week. You know exactly what it is, and you know exactly what it isn't, boy. Little bitch, keep talking. Word to the wise, I'm a G, you don't know me. I just tripled last month and this whole week. Double time, I'm 6 and an OG. Shorty kissing on my neck, said she know me. Word to the wise, I'm a G, you don't know me. I just tripled last month and this whole week. Double time, 06 and an OG. Shorty kissing on my neck, said she know me. I ain't grow up in the hood, ain't no thug life, but I grew up on the beach racing dirt bikes. Had a couple of my friends, was a damn life. While I look into the mirror every single night. Am I living for myself or am I living for you?
Zach, show us how to leave the party.
Well, when you gotta leave the party, I'll tell you what, brother. You
Tell me,
get that
tell
wing
me,
up,
tell
brother.
me.
You get that wing up, brother. Let me get the right music going, brother.
Here we go. Here we go. That's how you make an exit.
Yeah, let's freaking do it right there.
Bam! Bam! Roll tide, brother. Brother, get it, brother.
That's how you make your exit.
Double bursting in her.
Yeah, brother.
Came through the night.
I tell you what, you roll.
I
brother.
was
What are you
still
doing when the time
there.
comes? You roll
Oh,
it, brother.
that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home
shit, it's gone again. I'm so proud of my gosh darn country. That's how you make an exit, brother. I don't know what he's doing. He looks like a little retarded boy, but that's okay, brother.
Freaking ye, brother.
Yeah.
All right, now we're rolling 3 deep. So it's Drake in front of me, then Zach. I don't know if we're gonna be able to film anything. Probably when we're actually at the parking lot or wherever we're gonna go. I don't even know, but so you can expect that.
Sounds like a Daza a little bit. It's good. Really.
In the car, watch it go vroom, vroom. I told her mom that I was soon. Know as a child back in the womb. Oh, told her sit back, I need my room. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I'm in a whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in the room. I've been so real, I'm back to the tomb. They in the way, they gotta move. I got a gas, they running them fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. It's me and Dan, you gotta choose. I'm taking my smile, I'm doing fine. Don't see the vision, they looking so blind. I hit my lawyer, don't got the time. Crossing my T's and he dotting those eyes. Don't take offense if I do not apply. I but label like none of these guys. They hit me once and I'm cutting the ties. I was so low, but I'm back on the rise, it's real. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I told her mom that I was soon. Know as a child back in the womb.
Go, push.
We're in Home Depot. Where are we? Lowe's? Lowe's. This is Lowe's. And we're finding rope so we can pull a sled with a car. And we're being followed by the staff. I'm serious, we are being followed.
I know. I don't really care. This one will honestly be fine.
I think so, yeah.
That's before 68.
Or we can just get like one of these.
But those are $15.
How long is it? 50 foot?
Yeah, we don't
It's probably
need
about what we need.
No, we need like 10.
Oh. 10?
10, no, 10 isn't enough. I'd say.
I'm gonna be like this far behind the car, bro.
I know. That'd be good. I want to spend money.
Let's just do 20. I'll pay half.
You're being Jewish.
What?
Oh, wait, start behind. Alright, ready?
Yeah, you did. Okay, test run.
Get in the car.
We're gonna go 300 miles per hour.
What? Don't do that.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, go slow.
Yeah, just go.
I'm so scared.
Alright, just keep coasting up. Here's the left.
Oh, I can feel the ice on my nuts.
I gotta see it.
He fell.
Ready?
Yes. Yeah, you got it. You got it.
Oh yeah! I did a trick! I did
trick.
He already fell off.
hitting you in the head.
I'll catch it. I'm scared.
All right, you good?
Yeah, I might pee myself. That was so cool. Dude, that was actually sick.
I got shot in the face with snow. Okay, so I should keep this on? Yeah. I got shot, I couldn't see.
Okay, he's off, he's off.
Dude, we came out the slide, we were still sliding.
This is from our butt.
Is there snow? A little bit.
Hold on, he's not off, he's not off. That was 36.
36?
36.
I had to get off because you let off, and then I was gonna run into the back. You're a snowplow. Okay, me.
Dude, that's so cool.
Dude, I know. Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is scary.
Bruh.
He fell off.
I can't see. I want back on.
Get back on, boy.
Bruh.
Bro, hold on to the frickin' thing.
Bruh.
Why does he always be going on it backwards, bro? Dude, you gotta look at this clip. Snow is cold, dude. I'm so cold.
I know. Nice.
Dude, that was fun.
I bet that'll look cool.